favorite animals. Our dogs. Meet our crossbreed Pitlock dog, Ben and Bella. Do you know how they move? Dogs have 4 legs that they use to walk, to run, or to hop. Amazing! How dogs eat their food? They use their flattened teeth to chew their food. Yummy! How they protect their body? Dogs are covered with fur which they use to keep their body warm. To take care of them, we must 1. Provide the right food and water. 2. Maintain proper hygiene. 3. Keep surroundings safe. 4. If they are sick, please bring them to a veterinarian. Again,